So I have a MacBook Pro 17-inch, and the thing on the side that tells how much battery's left, the button is messed up, fell in there. So I got a set of these at Walmart, and this is it here. So this one goes here, it's the longer one, and the short, and then let's see this one. This one's short. Try not to lose them. This one's short. There's like what, 10 of them? Almost. This one short. This one's short. 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 Oh, is it the only long one? It's my first time opening it. Oh, this one is long. Alright, last one. Okay, I guess 3 longs and 1 short. Let's see. How do you open it? Alright. Voila. Looks like I'll need to clean it a bit. Oh man, and then that's the button right there. I have to get down somehow. I guess I'll clean this out to not remove the battery, and I have to open this maybe. Oh, that's the hard drive. Anyways, so not too much fancy. It's pretty much how you do it. Just make sure you don't lose the screws.